Please come in.
Good morning, Mr. Frederick.
Morning, Jessica.
You wanted to see me?
Yes. Let's get straight to the point, Jessica. We have a new class that needs your attention.
Yes, I'm listening.
Frankly, it's a challenge.
So, you're asking me about taking over this class?
I'm not asking you, I'm tasking you.
I got it, Mr. Frederick. Is there any additional information I need to know?
Low entrance scores, struggling students.
I appreciate the opportunity.
Good, because I don't want this class to affect our center's reputation. This class needs significant improvement. And you have 1 year to turn it around.
I understand the challenge. I'm confident that with dedication and the right approach, we can make a difference.
You better be. If you fail, our center's reputation is on the line. I don't want to see that at all.
Good morning, everyone. I'm your English teacher for the year. Let's make this class a journey of learning and growth. I'm Jessica, 30 years old, originally from the United States. I love reading, hiking, and trying new foods. Nice to meet you guys. Okay, now, let's get to know each other better. Would you like to start?
No. I want.
Great, please.
Hi, I'm Gyan, 24 years old, from India. I work, IT, solve problems and make things. Okay.
You're doing good. Go on.
Also, I like meet new friends. Play games. It's a good way to relax and fun. Yeah, that's me.
That's great, Gyan. How about you? Could you tell me something about yourself?
Hi everyone. My name is Nam. I am 23 years old from Vietnam. I'm an exchange student. I really learn English, and I hope English will better after class. Nice to meet you all.
Glad to meet you. Thank you, Nam. Now, let's hear from Somi. Could you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yes, Miss Jessica. I'm Somi, 24 years old. I'm from Korea. I'm here to learn and improve my English. I like going many cultures and share about Korean life. Nice to meet you all.
Noisy.
You?
Who are you?
You are Flavio, aren't you?
Yes.
Please share a bit about yourself.
Okay. I'm Flavio, 26, from Italy. I'm chef. Bring Italy food wherever I go.
The food you make must be bad like you.
What did you say?
Flavio, that sounds amazing. I'll have to try your Italian cooking someday.
You should.
I will. Thanks, Flavio. So, are you ready to introduce yourself?
I'm Maxim, 27, Russia.
Okay. Thanks, Maxim. Thank you for sharing, class. And it's great to have such a diverse class from so many countries here. All right, everyone. Let's open our books to the first page. We'll learn our first lesson today.
Hey. I don't know your name. Anyway, can I see your book with you?
No, I don't want.
Why not? We can learn together.
I just don't like it.
Oh, come on.
I don't want anything to do with you.
What? You doing?
I want to see book with you. I left it home.
But I don't like it too.
Sheesh.
Now, let's start with a simple question like, what's the weather like today? Because I want to understand the English level of our class. Okay, Somi, how would you describe the weather? Okay, take your time. Now, Flavio?
Well, maybe delicious?
Good effort, Flavio. Remember, we're all here to learn. Nam, can you share your thoughts on different weather types?
Weather types?
Yes, like rain, sunshine, snow.
I don't know. Sorry.
No need to apologize, Nam. Learning takes time. Now, Maxim?
Rain is wet. Sun is hot.
Good start, Maxim. Let's keep exploring. So, class, what do you wear when it's hot?
A scarf?
A jacket?
Not quite. Actually, we wear shorts or light clothes when it's hot.
What does light clothes mean?
Does anyone know what light clothes mean?
Light clothes are shined in the dark. Is that right, teacher?
No, Gian. Light clothes typically refers to clothing items that are thin, not heavy, and suitable for summer or fall.
It's like t-shirts, right?
That's right, Flavio.
I get it, thank you.
You're welcome, Somi.
So if clothes have much color, what do we call them?
Good question. We can call them bright clothes or light-colored clothes.
So the clothes I wear are dark clothes.
That's correct, Nam. They're not good in English, but they are willing to learn. Only Maxim seems to be quiet, but it's okay. I can do this. So that's it for today. I hope you liked today's class. Next time, we're gonna learn basic grammar, so get ready for that.
Yes, teacher.
And I would like to say you guys were awesome today in how much you wanted to learn. Each of you showed a really good learning spirit, and it makes teaching a lot more fun and easy.
Thank you.
You're a great teacher.
Thank you, Nam.
What did she say?
She said, thank you, Nam.
No before.
She say we are fun and easy spirit.
Really?
Yes, that's a compliment.
Cool.
Just keep it up. Goodbye, class. Excuse me, can you move? You're in my way.
Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. Lady first. Why is she so mean? Key? It's hers? Look for something?
It's not your business. Is that my key?
Your key?
Yep.
Don't know.
It is my key.
Prove it.
What?
It can be anyone's keys.
Give it to me. I don't have time.
I don't have time, too. Prove it if it is yours.
What do you want?
Tease you.
Fine. It's yours. I don't need it anymore.
Boring. Here, take it back.
What kind of person is this? Can't believe.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.